Hello, just going to show you how to start your nitro engine. This is my Monster GT 4.6 SE, my pride and joy. Just going to show you how to start your engine. You need your fuel, recommended, mine 16%, because it lasts longer, makes your engine last longer. You're going to need that fuel, your glow igniter, fully charged. You need your controller, your pull start or your drill start. Mine's either, but I snapped the pull start earlier on. The first thing you want to do is fill your tank to the top of your recommended fuel, or whatever you want to use. Fill it to the top. Right. And then you need a primer engine. You can either block the exhaust and pull your starter, or you'll have a primer ball on here somewhere. But I've got a primer on the tank, so I just press that a few times until I see fuel squirting into the carburetor. There we go, the fuel going in now. Put your air filter back on. And then you want to flip your car over back to so you can start it. And then get your drill start or your pull start. And then you want to insert your glow igniter. Once you've turned on the controller first, turn on your controller first, then turn on your car, make sure everything works, steering and throttle and brake. Insert your glow igniter, and then pull your start a couple of times, or if it struggles to start, prime it again. And that's my MGT started. Thank you for watching.